Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to CIVIL53. In the previous lecture we have learned how to place sanitary items, how to draw parking floor and terrace floor. In this lecture we will learn how to draw front elevation. After this lecture we will have 4 lectures to complete part 2 of this tutorial, which are as follows: sliding doors, section, dimensioning the plan, preparing and printing sheets. After completing this part, you will be able to draw a complete 2D plan and submit to your client. Coming back to our topic, front elevation, keep in mind that in majority of cases, client will demand for front elevation with a home plan as well. So learning to draw them is necessary. A 2D front view helps the client to visualize how his house is going to look from the front. Due to 2D elevation, we cannot miss the quality of a 3D model of an house. The final result of a 3D model is very close to the reality if texturing and lighting is done correctly. A 3D models takes a lot of time to make them to look realistic, so this makes them costly. So not all the clients offer the 3D models, most of them will go to 2D models. We will model the same house in 3D in part 3 of this tutorial in AutoCAD as well as 3D Max software. Enough talking, let's get started. But before that, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Let's start drawing front elevation. We are going to take the help of this plan to quickly transfer the dimensions of the house. Make sure that the layer is wall layer. This plan will provide us with the reference points. We will draw elevation from bottom and follow it to the top. Drawing from the rear side of the house will help us to follow this top to down approach. To start, make a horizontal line like this. This is going to be our road level, called as datum, or zero level or ground level. Now we need 2 vertical lines to create the width of the plot. Drawing a line like this will be time consuming, so we will use a shortcut method that will help us to quickly create infinite vertical and horizontal line whenever we want. So to make them, type XL, enter. Since we need a vertical lines, we will type V, enter. Put your pointer on this start point and then left click. Now put your pointer at this end point, left click. Now press skip. So this is our area in which we will draw front elevation. Once we completed formation of the front elevation, we will trim these extra lines at the top and bottom. Now let's take the plinth level height 2 feet 6 inches from the ground level. Type of, enter, 2 feet 6 inches from the ground level. Now let's take the plinth projection, that is 6 inches. Type of, enter, 6 inches. Now trim the extra lines. Trim these lines as well. As we know, we have to keep floor to floor height between floors as 11 feet, so create an offset line at 11 feet. This height is floor to floor height. So we have reached to the floor of terraced floor. Create offset line downwards to indicate the floor thickness of 6 inches like this. Keep in mind that a residential building, clear ceiling height below 9 feet is going to make a resident feel that ceiling is too close to him. That will eventually make him feel that this space is congested. So in residential building, try to keep clear ceiling height 9 feet or greater. In commercial building, you can reduce it at most to 8 feet, where AC system is implemented. Check through the quick measure tool. The ground floor ceiling height without beam is 10 feet 6 inches. 6 inches is gone for slab, 1 feet will be gone in the beams. We will be left with 9 feet 6 inches clear ceiling height. As per residential building, that is okay for us. Do the same for the first, second and third floor as well. So here we have our ground floor and this is our first floor. Now let's close the roof slab projection. Activate line tool. Now let's create the lintel slab for the first floor. As we know that lintel slab will be at a distance of 7 feet from the floor level, so give an offset of 7 feet. The thickness of the lintel slab is 3 inches, so give it an offset of 3 inches. Coming to the plan, here we can see Chaja. So we will take this Chaja projection, activate XL command, type V for vertical. Now press escape. Now we will extend this lintel slab to the projection of Chaja. Type EX, enter. Now press escape, trim the extra lines. Now come to the plan to create windows. Activate XL command. Type V for vertical. Pick start point of windows and its end. So this is first point, second point. Take also the projection of Chaja. Now press escape. Make a line at the window sill level. Sill is kept at 2 feet 6 inches from floor level. So type O, enter, 2 feet 6 inches, enter. Select this floor level. Move the cursor up, left click. Now press escape. Type REC, enter. Take this as first point and take this as second point, left click. Delete the extra line, select this, delete. Now let's make a 2 inches frame window through offset command. Go inside, left click. Now press escape, draw a line in the middle. Now give it an offset of 1 inch to both sides. Now delete the midline. So window is created. Now we will create Chaja. Give offset of 1 feet to this line. So type O, enter, 1 feet, enter. Select this line and click like this. Now press escape. Now take a rectangle and connect this point and this point. Type REC, enter. This is your first point and this is your second point, left click. Now delete the extra lines. Now trim the extra lines. First select this rectangle, type TR, enter, and trim this line. Now press escape. We need also to trim this. So select this line, type TR, enter, and trim like this. Now press escape. Now we need to copy this window and place it here. So select it like this, type CO, enter, take this as a base point, left click. Since we have taken this as a base point, we will place it on the schedule line. Now left click, press escape. Now delete the extra lines. So select this like this and press delete. So we have created this window and this window with schedule. Go to the plan and delete these extra lines. On the ground floor, which is the parking floor, we will be able to see this column and this column and this one and this one. So type XL, enter, V for vertical. Now press escape. Now we will trim the extra lines. So select this line and select this line, type TR, enter. So remove these lines, and now we need to remove these two lines. Now press escape. Then with columns, now let's do the walls. We will be able to see this one and this one, the outer walls. So type XL, enter, V for vertical. Now we will trim the extra lines. Select this one and select this one. Type TR, enter. Press escape, select this one and delete. We can also see these stairs. So type XL, enter, V for vertical. Take this point, take this point. Now press escape. Remember that always in elevation we can see the risers and in plan we can see the thread. So here we will see the riser and here we can see the thread. Let's count how many threads we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 number of threads, and that is mean we will have 10 risers. 9 plus 1, 10. We know that our riser value equals to 7 inch. So offset command, enter, 7 inch, enter. Now select this line, go up, left click. Now press escape, trim the extra lines. Select this one, type TR, enter, trim this, and trim, press escape. We need also to trim this one, type TR, enter. Now we will create 10 riser. We have 1, so we need to create 9, type O, enter, 7 inches, enter. Now select this one, this is 1, 2, 10. Now press escape. Now we need to extend this one. Select this line, type EX, enter, and extend this one. Press escape, type TR, enter, and trim this one. We can see only one side risers, which is this side, and for this side we will not be able to see it due to the slope. Now let's trim and delete the extra lines. Now let's create the second floor and third floor, but before that we need to trim the extra lines. Now press escape. Now select this first floor, Type CO, enter. Take this as a base point, left click, left click, left click. Now press escape. By this we have completed ground floor, which is the parking floor, first floor, second floor, third floor. Now we need to create the roof. Roof will be provided for the staircase. Generally, we keep the height of this roof to 8 feet. So give an offset of 8 feet. Now press escape. Again offset 6 inches. Enter. Now press escape. Now we will create the parapet wall. Give offset distance of 2 feet 6 inches. Select this line. Click up. Now press escape. Again give offset distance of 3 inch. Now we will create the staircase room. So select this line, type EX, enter, and extend these 2 lines because stairs will be on this side. Press escape. Now we need to trim the extra lines. Now press escape. Close this line. Type TR, enter. Press escape. So this is our roof height and this is our parapet wall height. So measure it by quick measure tool, MEA, enter. 2 feet 6 inches, 7 feet 6 inches. Now press escape. Now we will form the front compound wall. Then we will move into add details to the doors and windows, and at the end we will fill gradient color to make the front elevation appealing. Let's form the compound wall. The general height of the front pillar is kept at 6 feet from the parking area. Take the help of reference line like this, XL, enter, B vertical, and take this point, press escape, select them like this, type CO, enter. We will take this as a base point, left click, coming back to our plan, left click. Now press escape. The general height of the front pillar is kept at 6 feet from the parking area. Make a line with the offset tool. 6 feet, enter. The compound wall is kept at 1 feet 6 inches below the pillar. That is 4 feet 6 inches from parking level. So type O, enter, 1 feet 6 inches, enter. Select this pillar and come down, left click. Now press escape. Now let's trim the extra lines. Press escape. Select this, type EX, enter, extend these 2 lines, press escape. Now type TR, enter, trim this line, trim this line, so this is our pillar and this is our compound wall. Now we need to extend our compound wall. Type XL, enter, B, enter, take this point. Now extend the compound wall to this line. Select this one. Select this one. Type TX. Enter. Now press escape. TR. Enter. So this is our pillar and this is our compound wall. Let's form two small pillars on the compound wall. Activate line tool and enter. So this is the compound wall that will be visible from the front. By mistake I have deleted the column on this side. Then just copy this. Press escape. Now to make sure it is right. XL. Enter. V. Enter. Now it's okay. So this is our compound wall. Pillars. Columns. Stairs. We need to trim some extra lines. Type TR. Enter. A lot of creative things can be designed on this wall. We will make continuous horizontal strips. Come to this side. Type L, enter. Over to this point, do not click. We will trim these lines because it will not be visible because of this compound wall. So this column will be visible only from here. Won't be visible. The same thing for this column. Now press escape. Select this. Type CO. Enter. Now to make the pillars stand out, we will place dark strips at the tip of the pillar. Make them like this. Also place strips to the top edge of the wall. Now let's fill the 4-inch wide strip with hatch. Activate hatch tool, H enter. Now let's complete the round design like this. Coming back to our plan, if we stand up here, we will be able to see the parapet wall of this balcony. So we have to create it. for both these balconies. So activate XL command, V for vertical, take this point and this point. This is our first floor. So give an offset distance to this floor slab of 2 feet 6 inches. Enter. Again give it an offset of 3 inch. Now trim the extra lines. So this is our parapet wall for the balcony. Now we need to create the window. Now we need, this is our lintel level. So select this, type EX, enter, extend this line and this line. Now press escape. Now activate rectangle tool, REC, enter. Take this as first point. So this is your lintel slab, and here you will have your sill height till this point. Left click. Now delete these lines. Give an offset 3 inch to the window inside. Press escape, trim the extra lines. Select this one, type TR, enter, and trim this. Select this one, type TR, enter. Now activate line tool, L, enter. Draw a line at the midpoint. Give offset of 1 inch to both sides. Delete the middle one. So this is our parapet wall and this is our window. We can see the door here also. Now press escape. Extend our lintel level. So select this stone, type EX, enter. Select this one. Now activate REC command. Enter. Take this as a first point, left click, and take this as second point, left click. Now press escape, delete the extra lines. Select this one, type TR, enter, trim this one. Now give an offset, or enter, 3 inches inside. We will trim these lines because it won't be visible because of the parapet wall. So type TR, or before that select this line, type TR, enter, and trim this line. Press escape. So this is our door. Now we will copy this balcony to this side. So by this we have completed the first floor, balcony, doors, windows. Now we have made the entire front structure. we are ready to provide colors. We will start from bottom and move towards the top. The ramps consist of tiles of alternate light and dark color. Let's start hatching them. At the end of the ramp, cementing will be done, so we will fill it with grayish color. So type TR, enter, trim these lines. Now press escape. We will fill it with gray color, type H, enter. Now fill this alternately, hatch, enter. Now we will fill the background color with cream and white color. Here we will place the main gate. So select this and delete. Now we will hatch doors and windows. Now we will hatch carpet wall. Select box, make the scale 30, change the color to Now we will hatch the walls. Lastly, we will color the columns, hatch, and now we will place the main gate. I have made this gate by lines and arc tools and then hatch by gradient color. You can also make like this door. Now we will place it in its place. Last thing we will do it is for the staircase room. Copy this. You can also make it by lines. So this is how we prepare the front elevation of a house for our clients. This is our ground floor, the parking area, the main gate, the rest floor, carpet wall, doors, window, second floor, third floor, and this is our roof, and this is the carpet wall for the roof, and this is the stair room. That is it for this lecture. Before we end this one, go to quick access toolbar and save the file. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you would like to see more, then check out one of these two videos. As always, thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next lecture on Civil 53, inshallah.